When I first stepped on campus, it was completely different than anything that I'd ever thought of. It just felt like a special place.
At ICFI Tech, you are surrounded by everyone who really inspire you and push you to do more. When you look at your peers and their accomplishments, you will feel so proud to be a part of such an ambitious community.
I like the place being in Hyderabad, and I like the people, I like the diversity, and apart of all the parameters like building, the placements and the campus, there is one thing in common in ICFI Tech, that is the like-minded people.
My favorite thing about Hyderabad while I first came to Hyderabad was the people and the weather here.
By studying at ICFI Tech, I got a chance to experience Hyderabad and its culture. The city of Hyderabad offers everything. No matter what you study, no matter where you go and what you're interested in, you can go out and explore different passions.
Here at ICFI Tech, I've really seen people grow in a different manner in ways I never could have imagined. I stepped back from my own perspective and started looking at the world around me in a broader context. Debating books, debating technologies, and debating the meaning behind that is very important, and here at ICFI Tech, it's very easy. This is an engineering college where incredible people have studied already, and all of a sudden you realize that you're a part of it.
In ICFI Tech Hyderabad, I met students from all over the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
I'm from New Delhi.
I'm from Punjab.
I'm from Karnataka.
Here, best part is you need to meet a lot of people who are from diverse background. You know to them, you interact with them, you discuss ideas with them, you brainstorm with them, and that's the best part of being in a college.
Learning from somebody who has a very different background from you is an eye-opening experience.
You just have so many different people that believe in so many different things and show those things in so many different ways, such that you're almost forced to engage with the ideas that people have. And the value it adds to your conversation, your project, like everything you do, it's remarkable.
The curriculum is the backbone of the ICFI Tech experience.
Because most of our pedagogy is project-based learning. There are three types of project-based involvement of a student. One is, as a part of every course that the faculty teaches, he gives one minor project for about some percentage, some total percentage or weightage of the course. Maybe 10%, 15% weightage is given for the project.
You have an opportunity to choose your subject, to choose your teacher. You are going to be in charge of your own career.
So studying at ICFI Tech is an amazing experience.
For me, engineering was not the only thing. I always wanted to do more, learn more.
You end up taking classes that maybe you wouldn't have picked otherwise.
You read same set of books, you become part of the same set of discussion, you ask same questions, and in fact it was cool for everybody to come to the point with different experiences, but kind of all talking about the same thing.
So in ICFI Tech Hyderabad, there will be a discussion among the students on a particular given topic. Say, let me talk about an algorithm of a quicksort. Now, all the students are asked to look for the perspective, how do you solve a quicksort algorithm? So different student gives a different perspective. It means that different answers, different groups gives a different answer, meaning that the group based the learning is encouraged such that each and every problem and its associated solution is given different perspective by the students.
The coolest thing of ICFI Tech is that you be in your own little world within the city of Hyderabad.
The ICFI Tech experience is not just a classroom experience. You see yourself transforming into an engineer.
And at the same time, ICFI teach you how exactly you can survive any and every kind of situation. The curriculum of ICFI is very phenomenal. It gives you lots of opportunity.
When I joined the ICFI, then it was still in initial phases, so we didn't have the same lavish infrastructure that what you see today. But what we learned there is how to maximize your happiness with the minimum number of resources.
The best part of being a student of ICFI is that you get a chance and a lot of exposure right in your college, because you're not just in one, it's not an engineering college, so it's like an ecosystem. There are MBA students with you, there are students of architecture, there are students from business administration, there are students from law. So when you're in a hostel, you get to interact with people from across India, so this pan-India like student presence in the university, and it's sort of a great ecosystem for you to interact and develop and make contacts. I think that's been one of the biggest turning point for my career, where when I've made good switches to good companies, or when I'm able to get through good opportunities. Of course, the networking part kind of helped me, because I had good seniors who had done from their MBA and all. So it's kind of a lot of rather than studies and your curriculum, there's lots of enjoyment in your hostel life, I see. So we connect with the hostel on a personal level. It's a luscious green campus with all trees, and also it's a great place for you to actually kickstart. So rather than studying, it's more of a recreational sort of an ambience you have in the college, where you have your space everywhere where you go. So it's kind of a 100-acre campus, and you really have a lot of freedom across. So I was part of Student Activities Club for almost 3 years. I was organizing different fests and different activities. So that actually helped me a lot with communication, making it easier for me. So when I started, I was very much on the, when I was a student, I still remember in my first year, I was kind of the orthodox and kind of reserved and all. I was not very outspoken kind of a person. But I think it has helped me on a personal level, where when you actually have to study with people from different aspects, from different places, from different cultural backgrounds and different states and different regions, the more you interact, the more you become outspoken, and eventually your personality is that develops. So for every person, I mean, the college and their background is kind of very important. So it plays a crucial role on how you're going to come out as an end product of the 4 years of life that you're going to spend.
So when I came to Hyderabad, I started this college. I was not doing anything. First of all, I came from a tier 3 city, so which was not very much developed. Say I came to Hyderabad, I meet so many new people, I interacted with so many friends. I just got to know many things from them. It's a diverse background here. People from multiple ethnicity, state, they come, and you will find a very happy atmosphere here. You interact with them, you learn from them.
If you're passionate about something, ICFI Tech provides you the platform and all the resources that allows you to pursue it.
Engineers from ICFI Tech Hyderabad go on to work for manufacturing companies, design companies, IT companies, marketing companies, non-profit organizations.
There are companies which are, when they're recruiting, they are preferring mostly the dual degree students because of 2 reasons. One reason is that it takes more time, therefore they expect the more maturity of the student, and also they are also acquiring more knowledge because of the second degree which they are trying to do.
The students who come here are going to do great things, and there is no doubt about that. But it's more about pushing the world in the right direction that really guides what we do.
ICFI Tech Hyderabad is an experience in itself.
It's the challenge and the motivation that I'm not going to accept my world the way it is. I'm going to leave my own mark and create my own solutions to the problems.
ICFI Tech is a name associated with excellence in engineering education. The industry-upheld and choice-based curriculum, the unique teaching methodologies, and experience-based learning models together contribute to the career transformation of every student at ICFI Tech. We enable students to think, practice, implement, and innovate so that they efficiently meet the demands of the real world and contribute through valuable solutions.